Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable HD audio for your earbuds Creative Zen Air Plus. So, to do this, we need to enter into developer options. If you don't know how to do this on your phone, at this channel we have video just for your device, so you can check it. And you cannot do this on your iPhone, because there's no developer options on iPhone. You already use AC codec and that's it. Now, after you enable it, you need to go to the settings, then scroll down and you need to find system. Click at the system, scroll down again, and right here, at least on stock Android, we have developer options. Enter into developer options and you need to scroll down and find HD audio, or you can use a search and you can write HD right here, and right here, as you can see, we have it located in the developer options. Tap at this line and we have it. Now, to enable it, you need to tap one time at the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. And once you enable it, you can now swap between Bluetooth audio codecs. Just give a second. So yeah, now you can swap between them. To disable it, you need to tap one more at the HD audio if the slider have colorful background. And now you use SBC codec on your earbuds. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!